everybody, and welcome back to the Soko Customs YouTube channel. So the AMP ATG video has been very successful on our YouTube channel. We want to thank all of our amazing fans for making this video as successful as it has been, but we wanted to come at you with a little bit of news. So extra, read all about it. The AMP ATG has changed its name to the AMP ATA, or the Terrain Attack AT. You might be saying, but wait, there's already a Terrain Attack. That's a Terrain Attack MT. So I would wonder if that was just a way to sort of align this tire as more of a mud tire that you don't hate driving on the road. So it is the same tread pattern, it is the same tread depth, all the same statistics. So you've got 15.5, 30 seconds tread depth. You've got these wide open voids with this kind of terrace look. I believe that that's more of a kind of a wear bar to make sure that you're still getting ample grip even as you wear down beyond each of these little terraces. These won't wear out like a mud tire will. A lot of people are really big fans of this tire. So it is a hybrid tire. Anything that's going to be labeled as an RT with other companies, this is going to sort of compete with that. These are inexpensive tires. They're very good for a build if you're trying to do it on a budget. We also like that even though they're labeled as an AT tire, you've still got a very aggressive sidewall. So if you are looking to get that aggressive sidewall on a build without having to fully commit to a mud tire, RTs or ATs are definitely a good way to go. So you'll see that these voids are a lot wider than maybe the ATPs or other AT tires. That's to clear mud, sand, snow, everything out of there. It does have fewer sights, so it won't be quite as good in the wet, but this is definitely a great tire if you're looking for something right between an AT and an MT tire. So go ahead and give us a like, give us a subscribe, and go ahead and ask any questions or leave any comments in the comment section below about what you think about these tires. We'd love to hear back from people about their experience with said tires. Thanks and have a great day.